It's Thursday, May 21st. In the headlines, government advancing digital transformation to improve ease of doing business. 23 students discharged from hospital following Garvey-Maceo High School bus crash. In business news, Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association to discuss resiliency in upcoming conference. Regionally, U.S. indictment of President Raul Castro sparks tensions in Cuba, and Trinidad and Tobago's Met Service predicts fewer hurricanes this year. In sports, Portmore United advanced to Jamaica Premier League's final. This is the news on PBC Jamaica. I'm Simone Absalom Gale. For the full newscast, head over to our YouTube and Facebook pages.